Wait.
This is the traditional and usual conventional method of rainwater harvesting, in which the pebbles are put down, and this leads the water to the discharge tank. Rainwater harvesting is important, but people think they have to have some investment in that. But I say we mustn't have any investment. See, over here we can place some metal sheets that we can say it as aluminium foil, and we can place it here. And we can just make a small hole in them and connect this waste rubber tube over them, so that the rainwater is collected in the aluminium foil and then led to this rubber tube. And so this we can keep a container, any container down of it. The water is collected so.
Leave it. And now you leave it. You move. Connect it to the tank. Hold it properly. Hold it enough. You speak.
Now, through this process, we just connected water, and now the water is used for washing purpose.
For what purpose you are using that tank?
Washing purpose.
Leave it. He will cover it. He will cover it. He will cover it. Cover from the walls. Instead of connecting from the roof, simply in front of the roof, you keep this waste tray, and the waste tray is connected to rubber tube. Now, our entire roof will collect the water here. From here, this rubber tube will be connected.
Hi everyone, I'm Easy Ines, and I come to share something about rainwater harvesting. Every people think that they have to build some tank, and much more they have to do something for rainwater harvesting. But I have some methods. We can just in every house we just have a small slope in the end on the roof. We can just attach a small tin sheet which have a bend like. We can attach with the roofs, and as it rains, the rainwater will get collected in the thin sheets. And when you just put a hole in the thin sheet and connect this rubber tube with it, we'll just get the rainwater down, and